Yo, let's get into the trade recap. Today, I lost about 2R, unfortunately. I lost my first trade, and then I hopped off, like, I'm done. And then I got out of the shower, and I saw a nice setup, and it also lost. And then, I wasn't at, like, my exact 2R, so I was like, alright, let me just take two, like, little fucking bottom tick trades that they both just went like break even, essentially, these two. So my L wasn't as big as I sized it to be, because I kind of dragged it because I was in profits to where I didn't think price should go back to. So yeah, I took 2 L's today. But let's get into why and what I was seeing. So 9:30 open, higher time frame, I was bearish because we're in this 4-hour consolidation, and inside of this we were rejecting off this 1 hour. This is showing 11 o'clock, but oh my God, it's so annoying. On the 1 hour, we were rejecting off of this 1 hour. We swept out data, and we were creating a higher time frame SMT. We had like 3 fucking SMTs with the S, and I was bearish. And the 15-minute closed really nice, how I wanted to see it close. So 9:30 open, we come up, and we close above data, but I had this wick marked out that we closed under, and then we got a 3-minute inverse that I had marked out that I said I'd take if we inversed it, which we ended up inversing with decent momentum, I'd say. It looks really good. It's pretty V-shape. Wasn't like straight V-shape, but break a structure V-shape type of drill. 15 looked good. Of course, it skips bars, but the 5-minute, I guess maybe I should have waited for the 5-minute closure, but kind of would have sacrificed some serious RR probably, because this is my draw here. I don't know. My stop loss would have been pretty big, and then yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it'd be worth it at that point. So I was okay and confident enough to take the 3-minute, which looked good, but immediately stopped me out here, which my stop loss is right here. Then we were looking really good on the 15-minute, and then we ended up inversing this 1 hour. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna let go of my shorts bias. But I was supposed to be done trading for the day, but I got out of the shower and saw that we swept this this low inside of this fair value gap, this 15-minute. We tapped into 0.62 and OTE, and we didn't get like the obvious where is it? This isn't like an obvious 1 minute, but then I scaled down to a lower time frame on the 30-second, and it didn't look great on the 30-second either. So I even went fucking lower on the 15-second, which was stupid, and I saw that we inversed this on the 15-second. So I was like, alright, and then I entered up here and immediately shot down, and then went to my draw, which were these equal lows that I wanted to see after we swept data. So my draw and liquidity for the day ultimately was these equal lows that we left yesterday that I didn't long from because we left. And yeah, these ultimately got hit, which I wanted to see today. Unfortunate, but happens. We ended up sweeping Asia High and then doing it, which I didn't think we needed to sweep Asia High, but yeah, I mean, I guess this would have been the play, but I don't know. I wouldn't have taken this after we inverse this 1 hour. Like, I just think that's kind of sketch. We come up inverse this 1 hour and then make equal highs again. Like, we just keep making equal highs. I don't know what's going on here, but these equal highs seem to keep being made, or even relative equal lows and equal highs, which is a trend right now. But yeah, I guess that would have been the ideal short setup for my bias. Would have been that, yeah. I guess I drew that out, but didn't take. But yeah, I think it was sketched because the 1 hour. But we are done trading for the day. We are down our 2R. We're now break even on the week. So, we gotta be smart trading the rest of the week. I have 3 exams tomorrow, so that's kind of chopped for a Thursday. But let's see the news for Thursday. Unemployment claims at 8:30. Nice. This was a trade that I was thinking about taking in the pre-session, which is good data to have. It was this, not this 5 minute. It was a 3 minute to data. Inverse this 3 minute here. Nice drawing liquidity to data. I just didn't feel confident with it because it swept out session liquidity inside a higher time frame gap. But now I know that that is just too strong of a draw, that we will go back to it regardless. So yeah, glad I didn't take that even though it won. Just nice to know for future reference. So that is the trade recap for today, and I will be back tomorrow.